It's recording.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna play a song that I dedicate to all the bitches. It's called Bitches. Don't get it all over that face.
I'm not.
Okay,
Look.
Ready? You can take her. I never done that.
Here, take it. You can film yourself.
No.
You don't. I don't want to.
Flash. Flash. Flash it.
No.
Take it off. Take it off. So we're just waiting here for Joey getting his shit together. I'm so tired. I'm looking at the screen, not at the camera. I guess it's more professional. I look like shit. Anyways, and this is Cassie. What's up, girl? Say hi to the camera. And we're tired as fuck because we woke up at 8 this morning
To go to Dino Depot.
this Dinosaur Depot, which was pretty fun actually. Like, we made a puzzle, we dug up some fossils, we looked at an anthill. It was pretty fun. And then we're gonna go and study and bake a cake, because we just love cake.
And cupcake. Sing it, sing it, sing it. Sing it, sing it. Watch my speakers just blow out. Sing it. Wait, you're like zoomed in somehow. Yes, it is.
Turn it around.
What?
No, like, yeah, like that, but you see.
How do you do it? Oh.
Hey! Oh! Oh. We have to look fierce while we bake a cake.
Hey!
Did you really do that?
No.
No! My acne.
Looks like poop.
Why don't you just like pour it in there? But look fierce at the same time. Because we're on camera. It's a minute long, you guys. That's a record.
Here.
Can you stop it?